Hello, here's a unique take on chicken biryani that combines aromatic spices, flavorful chicken, and fragrant rice. Recipe: spiced coconut chicken biryani. Ingredients: 2 cups basmati rice, soaked for 30 minutes and drained. 500 grams chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup thick coconut milk. 2 onions, thinly sliced. 3 tomatoes, finely chopped. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 inch ginger, grated. 2-3 green chilies, slit. A half cup plain yogurt. A quarter cup chopped fresh cilantro coriander. A quarter cup chopped fresh mint leaves. 3 tablespoons ghee or vegetable oil. Whole spices: 2 bay leaves. 4-5 green cardamom pods. 4-5 cloves. 1 cinnamon stick. 1 star anise. Ground spices: 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Saffron strands soaked in a quarter cup warm milk. Salt to taste. Instructions: marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix the chicken with yogurt, half of the minced garlic, half of the grated ginger, half of the chopped cilantro, half of the chopped mint leaves, half of the green chilies, turmeric powder, and salt. Allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Prepare the rice. In a large pot, heat ghee or oil, and add the remaining whole spices: bay leaves, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, star anise. Saute for a minute until fragrant. Add the soaked and drained rice. Saute for a couple of minutes, then add 4 cups of water and salt. Cook the rice until it's 70-80 done. Drain and set aside. Cook the chicken in another pan or pot. Heat ghee or oil, and add the sliced onions. Saute until golden brown. Add the remaining garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Cook for a minute, then add chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften. Add the marinated chicken along with the marinade to the pan. Cook on medium heat until the chicken is almost cooked through. Layering: in a heavy-bottomed pot, spread a layer of the partially cooked rice. Top it with a layer of the chicken curry. Sprinkle some of the remaining cilantro and mint leaves. Repeat the layers until all the rice and chicken curry are used up. Drizzle the saffron-infused milk over the top layer. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and cook on low heat for 15-20 minutes until the flavors meld together and the rice is fully cooked. Serve. Gently mix the layers before serving, taking care not to break the rice grains. Garnish with fried onions, chopped cilantro, and mint leaves. Serve hot with raita or your favorite side salad. This biryani is a delightful blend of coconut's richness with the classic biryani spices, creating a fragrant and flavorful dish that's sure to impress. Adjust the spice levels according to your preference for a milder or spicier taste.